Nag-makeup ka. Gusto mo mag-retouch. Kaso hulas na hulas ka. Let me show you how it's done. Working, studying, and humulas yung mukha mo. First and foremost, kailangan mo lagi ng blotting paper. Kasi ito talaga ang pananggal sa mga oil sa mukha mo. Bablot mo lang talaga siya ng oil blotting paper. Oops. Which by the way, mura lang to. Timely face paper. Okay, now that that is done, makikita nyo naman, marami ako nakuha na oil. So, importante talaga yun. Kasi bago ka mag-retouch, you have to clean your face first. Alisin mo yung lahat ng pawis na yan. And next step is secure yung mga pinaganda mo, blush, whatsoever man sa mukha mo using a face powder. You're gonna grab a brush, tap in, tap the excess, and swipe gently. As in, swipe lang talaga. You don't need to do much. You just swipe gently. Yes, there you go. And of course, nilagay mo na, bestie. Now you ask me, so paano yun? Paano talaga ba tatanggal? Okay, I got you. Sinecure lang natin siya ng pressed powder para makonceal naman yung nalagyan ng hulas at natanggalan ng blotting paper. And to finish it up, para ma-mattify pa siya, I'll share you what I really use. Ito, gamit ko talaga to. Yung Candy Bella na blurring cream ba to or powder? Kasi parang cream kasi siya eh. It comes with a sponge. So, ang gagawin mo lang is what I do. Talagang just have to dig in there. And then you press it on the areas that you want to mattify. Gusto mo talaga maging matte yung areas ng face mo. And anti-hulas. See? Look at that. Okay, try natin sa other side. Gonna dig in. Yan o, nakikita nyo. Very oily pa rin yung part na to. And let's try. See? It's giving. And that is it, bestie. So, pwede mo pa rin siya lagyan ng setting spray. Optional lang to if you want. Or not. It's up to you. Pero ako kasi gusto ko lang ulit maging dewy fresh. Gano'n. Pero hindi ganun kakulas-kulas. Those are my shared personal tips and tricks in makeup. Okay, so follow for more if you want to see more contents. And yeah, that's it, bestie. Mwah.